Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2014 BMW 650i Gran Coupe with Alpine white exterior color. For the year 2014, the 6 Series now feature both 2 and 4 doors in its range. 3 body types are available for the 2014 BMW 6 Series, including Coupe, Convertible, and 4-door Gran Coupe models. The Gran Coupe 4-door is what I have today for you guys. It is stylish and good looking, seriously powerful and suitable for long, comfortable journeys or simply cruising down Main Street. As you would expect, the 6 Series is equipped with all the latest technology gadgets and modern touches to make it very livable as well. The 2014 6 Series lineup offers 2 engine options, not including the high-performance M6 model, a turbocharged 3-liter producing 315 horsepower on the 640i models, while a 445 horsepower, 480 pound-feet of torque, twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 on the 650i model, which is what I have today. Let's take a look at the front. Up front, you see the iconic double kidney grille with chrome trim accent, adaptive full LED headlights which come with the M Sport Edition package with dynamic auto leveling and Corona headlight rings and cornering light as well as LED fog lights. High intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also built into the front bumper and the aerodynamic front bumper kit. This particular model also comes with the M Sport package, which include 19-inch alloy double spoke wheels with a choice of performance or all-season run flat tires. Behind the wheels is the set of performance large black brake caliper for better stopping. There you can see the cornering light as well as the side view camera integrated into the side of the front bumper and the fender with integrated LED turn signal light. And it does feature a self-close automatic door which comes with the M Sport Edition package. To the back, you see the LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, and LED turn signal lamps. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper, and the rear view camera is located behind the BMW badge, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. The black rear diffuser that frames the dual black finished tailpipes with different sound modes. From the back, the 650i offers a very sporty looks thanks to the M Sport Edition package that featured the aerodynamic body kit. The 650i Gran Coupe requires premium gasoline only, and with the tank capacity, it holds approximately 18.5 gallons of fuel, a pretty big tank. EPA estimate fuel economy is 17 city, 25 highway, and 20 combined. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Here on the remote we have the lock, unlock, trunk open as well as panic button. Alright, let's check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. Press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The interior features black Napa leather seats with silver accenting trims as well as gray poplar wood trims. Alright, let's start up the car and see how it sounds. With your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Very nice. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter BMW twin-power turbo V8 32-valve engine, pushing out 445 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque, combines two turbocharger with variable valve control, double vanners, and valvetronic with high precision direct injection. Auto start and stop function, 8-speed sport automatic transmission with automatic sport and manual shift mode, and steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, can hit from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 mph in the US. All four windows are fully automatic. And that's the control to your side view mirror. Also feature auto folding mirrors, a very nice option to have. M Sport aluminum door sill. Both driver and passenger seats feature 20-way power front multi-contour seats with 4-way power lumbar support, articulated upper backrest, adjustable backrest with adjustable thigh supports, passenger seat memory, and active head restraint with adjustable side support. Includes two memory systems for driver and front passenger seats, steering wheel, and outside mirrors. Very nice interior. Alright, that's your trunk release button. And to open the hood, just pull the lever. And your tilt and telescopic steering column. Alright, the 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather with multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so that you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. Featuring silver accenting in the middle. And here is the windshield wiper control. And over here we have the left and right turn signal controlled. Also behind the steering wheel we have the paddle shifter, up and down paddle shifter. And here is your light control with all the different functions, like the dimming for the instrument and fog light, and all the different function buttons right here. Alright, let's take a look at the dash. Here we have the large multimedia screen. Very nice. The double air vent, emergency hazard light, and the door lock button. Multimedia control, volume control. Alright, this particular model have 4-zone climate control. Here we have dual climate control for the front, one for driver and one for passenger, the front passenger. And here is all the option buttons for the climate control. And here we have dual cup holder. Here's the gearbox. Push the unlock button. Pull down for drive. Up for reversed. And P for park. And here we have the traction control off, sport mode, and comfort mode. Here's your camera button, park assist button, park and brake. And here we have the control to your navigation screen. You can push up, down, right or left, or scroll the knob to move around screen, or you can also press down to select. and all the different function buttons. Here we have the ashtray and cigarette lighter. Center storage compartment. Also have the trunk lock button. Glove box compartment. And here's the universal garage door opener. Up here we have the BMW Emergency Roadside Service Assistant, one touch, open, close, and tilt moonroof. Alright, let's take a look at the back. Both rear door features automatic sunshade buttons. With one touch of a button, you can close and open the sunshade to block some of the sun out. Very nice. You can control for the other side as well. There you go. And both rear door are fully automatic. Alright, let's get into the back and see how it feels. The back is pretty spacious and offers a lot of leg rooms. Here's the look to the front cabin. Very luxurious. Really nice. And here's the double air vent and the dual climate control for the rear passengers. Here we have the armrest with a storage compartment and dual cup holder. Alright, now let's take a look at the trunk. The trunk offers 16 cubic feet of cargo space, and the rear seat does feature a split folded option. You can fold both rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the side of the trunk to maximize your cargo space. With both seats folded down, you get 44.7 cubic feet of cargo space. One touch close button. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment and tell me what you guys think about the 650i Gran Coupe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. I'll see you guys next time.